Hi guys, this is Khyati Hakani here, and today I'm going to show you that how to do a basic Zentangle art on this artwork that you have carried home. So, basically Zentangle is all about structured repetitive patterns, and they're extremely meditative, and that's why Zentangle is different from doodling, because Zentangle needs your undivided attention and focus, and it helps you to calm down because of its repetitive nature. So coming back to the artwork, I'm excited to teach you how to work, and how to complete your artwork using Zentangle pattern. Now today I'm going to only focus on three basic Zentangle fundamental patterns. One is the line, which can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, any kind of line. We will also work on the spacing of the lines. And other is circles. Circles, it can be big, small, random circles. And third is we will work on is curves. So we will use only these three elements to complete our artwork, but you will see that how many types of variety it comes even while using these three patterns. So let's start. So I'm starting with the wing on the left side of the artwork, and I'm starting from the outer side here. So I have green color in my kit. So starting with lines, okay? So if there are two sections in this curve, okay, so I'm going to start with the lower section, doing vertical lines in it. Let me zoom it for you. Yeah, so I'm doing vertical lines here on this side. So even I want you to do the closed vertical lines with hardly any gap, but there is a gap, and never remain even a small part, even though it is half, let it come through, okay? Now since it is this side, obviously if we curve, it is actually this side. So I'm continuing the same as I'm turning my sheet, and I'm doing same thing over here, vertical lines. Yeah, can you see this? Okay, now same thing, I'm doing it on the alternate feather here. I'm leaving one for another pattern, but I'm doing it here. At some point of time, you'll feel so peaceful, and you'll feel like you're in some other world, having your own me time. Yes, I've finished this too. I'll do the border, I'll do the finishing with black border at the end over here. So no need to worry. Same ways, I'm taking one more alternate. This I've finished on one side. The same thing I'll finish on the other side. Same wings which are parallel to each other, right? Yeah, if I'm doing this here, same thing I'll be doing it over here. Correct? So let me do it and I'll show it to you, and then we will take it further. So as you can see, I have done all alternate petals, alternate feathers in lines. Now going ahead, I'm going to use doing curves, okay? And I'm going to do with our black sketch pen that I've given you. So let's start making curves. So first I want you to do the border here. Okay, and I want you to fill this in between section with the black only. I want you to fill it. Let this remain white as of now. Now the alternate one here. The alternate one here, I want you to do curves like like this. Like this. Okay, so let's start doing that here. I've just turned my cardboard so that it is convenient for me to do the borders. in this angle. I'm filling the middle section completely with black, just to give that nice enhanced bold look. I'm comfortable to see like this. So as you can see, I have filled the lines with green lines and the curved black lines on both the sides. To this, I want you to fill this inner section which I have bordered with black sketch pen. I want you to completely fill it with green, but this time we will fill the upper part of the feather, okay, which is this one. Yeah, I'm going to fill all the upper part of the feather. Now we are going ahead with the guitar and whatever colored pen you have in the kit. So I want you to first start dividing the sections wherever you like. So let's say one section here. I want another section here. There is no hard and fast that you have to, do the same section that I'm doing. Okay, and maybe one here. Okay, now so we have as fundamental patterns, we are just doing line, circles and curves, right? So line, circles and curve. So we have used lines as of now and curve. Now we can use circle also, and depending upon the pattern that we like, so we can actually play around with the space of the pattern or the fundamental pattern. And so for example, let's say here on top I want to do semicircle, so I'm doing not semicircle, I want to again play with lines, maybe diagonal checks, so I'm doing diagonal checks here. Again, space is depending upon our choice, okay, space. So I've done diagonal checks here. So I have moved my board. So you have to complete the pattern properly. I've done diagonal checks, and now I want to do semicircle. I want to do semicircle here. Correct. And maybe I want to fill these semicircles. So in between two semicircles, I'm making the outer line a little bit bold with my colored pen, whatever I have in the kit. Yeah, and inside maybe I'm filling with another one more semicircle, but not so bold. Two more semicircles actually. Yes, and now so I've made the third one little bit dark and bold so that it gets highlighted. Yeah, it enhances the look. Now I have not circles yet, so I want to use circles here. Yeah, to create that balance. I'm doing circle now. Maybe so I'm doing random circles. And inside I'm filling with one more circle inside. I will do some, little bit lighter design which has more space. So I've used curved, so I'll now go for straight lines again. Yeah, if you're finding this very big, and so this is medium spaced, This is intricate. Again, this is intricate. And so here I would like to go with horizontal lines and maybe with a few filling. Yeah, this is looking good. So far, so good. And now we're almost done. I'm just filling the balance areas. Correct. And yeah, now I'm outlining it with the black sketch pen. So guys, this is the final look of the entire artwork that we have done Zentangle art. This was just a tip of the iceberg that I've taught you about Zentangle art, that how there are certain fundamental patterns, but these are just 3 patterns that I've taught because the artwork was very small. But there are over more than 150 fundamental patterns of Zentangle art. Yeah, specifically 70 patterns are the crux of the entire art. And if you're interested and if you like this artwork, please do tag us on your stories. And if you're interested to learn more about Zentangle art, please connect with me or DM me. Thank you. Bye bye.